In this video, we're going to go a little more in depth into topics within the grid. If we look down here, you'll see there are already 2 topics in the book report 3 where we left off in the last video. We have Tell Me About Your Book and Introductions. If we click on this, we can edit the topic. Within here, you can change the recording time. It can be anywhere from 15 seconds to up to 5 minutes, however long you believe your students will need. Now, that does not mean that they need to use the whole time. It just means that they have that amount of time that they could use. And once they hit finish recording, then what happens is it just stops right there and there is no blank space after that. There's the prompt that tells them what you want them to discuss. You can add a media resource to engage your students. You can record a video, upload a video, add a video, upload an image. You can do a GIF, an emoji. You can use a Kahoot. Any of these things are things that you can add in to engage your students. Add a tip to help your students best answer the topic. These are attachments, so you can link things from outside of FlipGrid into here, such as Google Doc. You can even add in like a Google slide or something like that. So if you want to add in a lesson that you've created, you can link it here, and then they have to respond back about the lesson in the FlipGrid when they create their video. Video moderation, there's another video that goes a little more in depth about this. Student-to-student replies. This allows students to reply to each other, such as comment on each other's videos. So launch and freeze date. So this is when it's active, and this is when they can stop creating videos to add to it. Selfies and videos. They can add filters, stickers, drawings, and text to their videos and selfies. They can edit and rearrange their videos. They can add a title. There's an attachment link for their video. And you can choose to display the number of views a video has received. And you can allow them to like other students' videos. This requires a very in-depth conversation with your students before using this, talking about how the correct way to respond to others' videos are. Talk about kindness, talk about respect for others, and those other topics that are very important when students are going online. Feedback. You can provide basic feedback on response based on their clarity of expressed ideas. And now we're going to update the topic. And then you can share this topic with your students and have them record a response. So again, you can share either the entire grid, which like we said is like a folder or like a class, and then each topic inside is like an assignment. Here is where you can edit the topic. You can add guests to the topic. You can move it, duplicate it, or delete it. If we go back into the main grid, book report 3, if you look right here, this is where you can move the topic and put introductions first and then tell me about your book second. So these are all the ways you can add a new topic and edit your topic. Okay. In the next video, what we'll do is we'll talk about how to record a video and how your students can add some things in there.